This is 3.6 related rates, review 2. This is number 2 and 3. Number 2 says find the derivative of 4x plus 3x squared y to the fourth equals 30. So when I go through and find my derivative, I'm going to take this with respect to x. Derivative of 4x here is going to just be 4 plus derivative of 3x squared y to the fourth. You need to use your product rule. Product rule says you take the derivative of the first part, so that's going to give me 6x. Rewrite the second, that's going to be y to the fourth. Plus now, rewrite the first, 3x squared, times by the derivative of the second, which is 4y to the third, dy over dx. You need the dy over dx, again, because you are taking the derivative of y with respect to x. Equals 0, derivative of 30, any number is just equal to 0. All right, I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to bring my 4 and my 6x y to the fourth over to the left side. I'm going to combine these terms here to be a 12x squared y to the third dy over dx is equal to negative 4 minus 6x y to the fourth. Now I'm going to divide by my 12x squared y to the third, so dy over dx here is going to equal to negative 4 minus 6x y to the fourth, all over 12x squared y to the third. You need to try to reduce. I notice a 4, 6, and 12 all can be reduced by a factor of 2 there. There are no other variables that I can reduce. The negative 4 doesn't have any. So this is just going to be a negative 2 minus 3x y to the fourth, all over 6x squared y to the third. The next problem, number 3, find the derivative of that equation that is given to you there. All right, this one I noticed we have the sign in there. This is going to have to mean I'm going to have to do the chain rule since I have other stuff besides just x for the sign. All right, I also see a product rule. All right, so I'm actually going to clear this out for number 2 here. Okay, so for number 3, I need a longer stretch of board. So 4 times sine of 3x to the third y. When I do that, I'm going to end up with 4 times by the cosine of 3x to the third y. Again, when you take the derivative of a trig function, you first have to do the exponent. There is not one there, so you go to the trig function. That is done. The number out in front just comes along with it. Following chain rule now. Now I have to find the derivative of the inside. That's going to be product rule. So these are multiplied together here. This is going to be 9x squared y plus 3x to the third dy over dx. Again, anytime you take the derivative of y, you need the dy dx there. The derivative of y in this case would just be a 1. All right, now plus, I'm just right here. Take the derivative of the 5xy. Again, that is a product rule. So this is going to be 5y plus 5x dy dx. Continuing on, I'm going to have minus 28y to the third dy over dx, and that's equal to 0. All right, we're going to leave it like that. We're not going to stop for the dy dx because this one is buried. We could do it, but it would just be more complicated than what we need for our purposes. So that's the answer we're going to accept for number 3.